Let's focus on the insurance space. ICICI Pru, that one is surging in trade post its Q1 numbers, while SBI Life as well is also trading in the green ahead of its numbers. Yash joins us to help us with both of them. Yash, tell us first about ICICI Pru, a review of them, and a quick comment. LIC as well, maybe the street is hoping that it could perform as well. Your comment.
Well, Nigel, you spoke about the shopping spree in the market, and seems like the entire crowd is moving towards the life insurance counter at this point of time. ICICI Prudential Life Insurance, particularly, the stocks flying away. Numbers came post-market yesterday, and though there were some hits and some misses, but the market seems to be acknowledging the hits much more than the misses. So as far as our CNBC-TV18 poll is concerned, it was a miss on the total APE and the value of new business, but the new business premium was in line with what the street was expecting out of the company. Retail annualized premium equivalent, which is more margin accretive. There was a strong beat which came as against the CNBC TV18 poll there, and margins, more importantly, came in line with what the street was anticipating. As far as growth year on year is concerned, if you look at that, the numbers are pretty strong. New business premium growing at 24%. Total annualized premium equivalent, though it wasn't slightly below the street estimates, but still growing at 34% on a year-on-year basis. Retail APE growing at 57% on a year-on-year basis. VNB, value of new business growth, came in at 8%, and margins, they came in at about 24.04% versus 30%. Important to point out here that ICICI Prudential has also seen a margin improvement of about 118 basis points on a sequential basis. The stock hasn't done much as compared to a lot of its peers, up about 13% in the last 1 year, 12% in the last 3 months, trading at 1.9 times price to embedded value. So there was valuation support also after the results as the stock opened today, and we can see the stock moving higher. For SBI Life Insurance, the numbers are expected to be just around market closing today or post-market closing. What we are expecting as far as the new business premium is concerned is a growth of 13% on that counter. Total annualized premium equivalent growing at 17%. Retail annualized premium growing at about 21%. Value of new business is expected to grow at about 13%, and margins, they are expected to fall by about 100 basis points or thereabout to come in at about 27.82%. Do remember, the margin figure will be very important again for SBI Life Insurance. Anything about 28% could be a big positive for the stock as we move into tomorrow's trading session. The stock has moved in the last 1 year about 27% higher, 13% higher in the last 3 months. It is, not one of those cheap life insurance stocks. It is a little expensive, trades at 2.2 times FY25 estimated price to embedded value. And also you spoke about LIC. Now the hope in the life insurance sector is that after ICICI Prudential Life did deliver on margins, HDFC Life delivered decent numbers, there could be some positives which could come out of the companies which haven't reported the numbers, like LIC, Max Life, and today SBI Life Insurance.
Okay, all right. Yash, thanks a lot for that. Hope is not a data point, but for the time being, there's nothing wrong in hoping. So explains why LIC is higher. Well, let's get